Welcome to Sir Sai Associates, ability to grow further. Ambience Gardens, premium residential plots in medium budget on Asia Road, Maracana. Sir Sai Associates Ambience Gardens is located in famous tourist place of AZR, East Coast Road. Towards AZR, the famous road will join is OMR. The OMR is famous for toppest IT companies. The list of IT companies in Chennai: Tech Mahindra, Polaris, SRA Systems, TVS Infotech, Siptech Solutions, Ramco Technology, Netaxis, DSRC, Mars Software International Limited, DSQ Software Limited, Anusia W3 Solutions Private Limited, and lots of IT companies has been developed day by day in OMR. ECR Road is parallel to OMR. All fun-filled activities is located in our ECR East Coast Road. Not only fun-filled places, residential areas also has been developed in our ECR. Our Sir Sai Associates has become a landmark to the residence areas to ECR. So book your plots immediately. The most world-famous spot is Mahabalipuram. Is known for rock-cut architecture and it's quite famous for tourists. Another name by which Mahabalipuram has been known to mariners at least since Marco Polo's time is Seven Pagodas. 45 minutes drive from Marakanam to Mahabs. Dakshin Chitra. This is a place where everyone can enjoy. If aesthetic and artistic things attract you, then this place is a perfect destination for you. This is a place where you need not think twice before going there. It can be fun going there with family, children, co-workers, or even with someone who appreciates artistic sense and aspires to be some kind of artist someday. You have seen famous tourist places in Asia Maracana. Sir Sai Associates Ambience Gardens premium residential plots on Asia Road, Maracana. It's time for you to book your dream plot. The famous Hotel Ocean Spray is located near to Sir Sai Associates Ambience Gardens. Nestled in the beautiful and scenic location on the East Coast Road, Ocean Spray Resort stands near the Toll Plaza gate of Pondicherry. Spanning over a vast piece of land surrounded by a beautiful man-made lake, Ocean Spray Resort offers a serene ambience for a complete fun-filled holiday. Sir Sai Associates Ambience Gardens is located in famous tourist place of AZR, East Coast Road. Land advantages of Ambience Gardens on ECR Road property. Full black top roads, 30 feet and 24 feet roads. One kilometer to beach from the location. 24 hours transportation to Chennai and Pondicherry. Fully compounded gated community. Beautiful entrance archway with lighting. Lush landscaped gardens, copious supply of water and fresh air, property surrounded with coconut trees. Marakanam is a previously coastal panchayat town Now it is Taluk in Viluppuram district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is well connected to the state capital Chennai and the nearby union territory of Puducherry. 15 minutes travel to Pondicherry from our Sir Sai Associates Ambience Gardens. Pondicherry used to be India's biggest French colony and is now the home of many French citizens. This has an influence on the architecture, food, and culture. The rocky Promenade beach is ideal to take long walks along the serene Bay of Bengal. The yellow sand, yellow sea, and yellow sky merge to create a breathtaking panorama. To indulge in scuba diving, to experience the abundance of aquatic flora and fauna. The city is also the location of Auroville. This innovative township houses explanatory concepts based on diverse philosophies and ideas. The Aurobindo Ashram here is a platform to seek spiritual pleasure. Through the method of integral yoga, the followers aim to become one with the divine without renouncing the world. A distinct food culture is also notable due to the Franco-Tamil hybridity. Schools in Maracana: Government Higher Secondary School, Government Girls High School, Sri Ramakrishna Matriculation School, St. Joseph's Primary School, Panchayat Union Elementary School, ALM Matriculation School, JMJ Matriculation School. There are so many medical and engineering colleges in Puducherry. In future, Marakanam is going to develop in a big way Alamparai Fort in Kadapakam. Due to this, in future Marakanam will develop commercially and residentially in a big way. You can select our Ambience Gardens for your future holiday homes destination. Hurry up! Book your plots immediately. When you buy a plot in Ambience Gardens, you can become a member in our club. You can enjoy with our indoor facilities like shuttle, yoga, spa, gym, swimming pool and restaurant. If you buy a plot in Ambience Gardens, with your willingness, we can construct either single or double bedroom houses with the very best price. The same house can be attached to our clubhouse with a good rental returns. To book your plot, call Sir Sai Associates Ambience Gardens 7305 969696. For landline, call 044 236 22215. Email info@sirsaiassociates.com. Log on to www.sirsaiassociates.com.